Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Dell Inspiron 7506, and I'm going to show you kind of two things. I'm going to show you how to get inside and access your CMOS battery in the event you need to replace it. Also, I'll show you how to manually reset BIOS this way by temporarily removing your CMOS battery. So first thing you want to do, guys, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure that it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. You have several bottom case screws here. You have these four along this edge, these three here, and then one on either side near the middle. Now, if memory serves, guys, these four screws here, they have washers inside of them, so they're not going to actually come out of the computer. Just so you know, so you're not wasting time taking those out. After you get the screws out, guys, you're going to take a small flat plastic pry tool. I prefer plastic because metal tends to scratch the case a little bit more. But you're going to take your pry tool and go across the seam all the way around, pry off your bottom case from your computer. A little at a time, be firm, but be careful. Don't put the pry tool in too far. You could damage some components inside. So just keep it on the edge, pry it open. Once you get that pried off, guys, you're going to notice one thing, just an FYI. This area in your bottom case right here is going to feel like there's some resistance there taking this bottom case off, like you missed a screw, which there obviously isn't a screw there, as you can see. What that is it's this clip right here that actually clips down to your computer to hold the bottom case on. So you can force it off, or if you bend the bottom case out a little bit, if you put your thumbs near the center, and if you bend the outer edges up a little bit, that'll open these clips and the bottom case can come off easier. After you get the bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as another side point, guys, when I work on a computer, especially if I'm going deep into it, I have it sitting on an anti-static pad. Either that or I wear an anti-static bracelet. But those are great ideas to avoid damaging your computer when working on the inside of it. If you need any suggestions for tools or supplies, check out the link above. I'll also have it below in the description. It'll give you some suggestions on tools and supplies that I used on this computer. Another thing I do before working on a computer is I'll unplug my battery or I'll remove it. If you want to remove your battery, there's these two screws here on the right, this one in the center, and these two on the left. After you remove those, you can unplug it from here. Underneath this black flap, there'll be a white plug that plugs into the motherboard. You can grip it from either side with your fingernails or with a pry tool, and you can pull that down and unplug it from the motherboard. You can also unplug the battery from here. That just snaps straight up out of the computer. That's how you would undo that. But either way, I would unplug the battery before working on it. Okay, so over here on the left, guys, this is your CMOS battery, the bottom left of your fan. So in this model computer, guys, the CMOS battery is wrapped in black electrical tape, and it's plugged in by black and red wires here into your motherboard. So for those of you looking to replace this battery, this is just held on by double-sided tape, so you can pop that right off. And the battery wires here, as in every component in a computer, try to avoid pulling on the wires themselves to unplug it. Instead, there's two grips on either side of this white plug. Use your fingernails on either side, or a pry tool, or a pair of pliers, or anything but grabbing on the wires and pulling. But that's how you would unplug the battery, and you can just pop it off again because it's double-sided tape. If you need help with the replacement part, guys, check out the link above, also below in the description. It's the link to various replacement components for the Inspiron 7506. Those of you who are here to just reset your BIOS manually by doing this CMOS battery procedure, all you have to do is unplug it. You don't have to actually physically remove the battery. Unplugging it will suffice. Unplug it for 10, 15, maybe 20 seconds, and then plug it back in. That'll make sure that your BIOS settings reset, but also make sure that your main computer battery here has been unplugged as well. So that's how you would replace that component. That's how you would manually reset BIOS using the CMOS battery in an Inspiron 7506. Okay, guys, so that's the video. I hope it was helpful in getting into your computer and finding the component you were looking for. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. I do try to keep those updated over time. If you do need to leave me a question, feel free. I try to answer those at least a couple times a day. Please remember to like and share if this video was helpful, if you think it could help someone else, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoy little quick tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.